Okay, so the second question is a 3-mark question. It's got 3 main parts to it. We've got a squared number that's being square rooted, so just got to be wary of that. We've got a cube root, which is mainly knowledge, and then inside the brackets we've got 2 exponents that we also just need to have a little bit of knowledge about how these exponents work. So I'm going to start a new line. Just order of operations is important, so I'm rather going to deal with what's inside the brackets first, just so that I maintain that order of operations of doing the brackets first. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, and 8 to the power of 0. Now anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1, except for 0 to the power of 0, which is 0. But yeah, I'd need another video to explain why, but it's just a law that you need to learn, that anything to the power of 0 is 1. Then moving back to the square root. Now 4 squared is 16, so I'm just going to do that in 2 parts, just dealing with the 4 squared first, and then I'm going to square root it, and then that is times by the cube root of 125. Now that's just knowledge. You need to know your perfect cube numbers up to basically 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216, and then going down from there. And 125 is 5 times 5 times 5, which means the cube root of 125 is 5. And then just kind of finishing this off a little bit. Square root of 16, that's easy. That's 4. 4 times 5. And now we can deal with what's in the brackets. 8 minus 1 is 7. And quickly we do the multiplication first. 20 minus the 7. And that gives us a final answer of 13. And we're done.